San Antonio, Texas, where a large Venezuelan community is on edge, following the US Supreme Court's ruling Monday removing their temporary protected status. Some 350,000 Venezuelans across the US are now vulnerable to deportation. So frightened is the migrant community that few wanted to speak, and this man only on the condition of anonymity.
Asustado.
We're scared. We feel as if we've been singled out. Things are very uncertain right now.
Muy incierto.
Critics say the Trump administration has unfairly targeted Venezuelan refugees. Authorities here in San Antonio have reported problems with Venezuelan gangs, in particular the Tren de Aragua, a group which the Trump administration has highlighted, sending suspected gangsters to a maximum security prison in El Salvador. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, who recently visited the notorious Salvadoran mega prison, defended the administration's actions in testimony before Congress last week.
The mission of the Department of Homeland Security is to secure our nation and to make sure that we're out there going after those that are the worst of the worst, the criminals, the bad actors.
However, this man says hundreds of thousands of honest Venezuelan refugees in America have been tarnished with the same brush.
Como que si todos fuéramos delincuentes.
We are all seen as criminals. A minority of Venezuelans have turned to crime here, and now we are all being labelled as bad people.
Están señalando como si fuéramos todos.
Other immigrant groups are watching closely. Nicaraguans like Joniel Ramirez are currently covered by temporary protected status, but that's due to expire in July, and he says he's not counting on courts to come through for him.
I'm going to self-deport. I'd rather leave on my own than be arrested and ejected as if I were a criminal. I don't understand all this hatred against immigrants. We're the ones who keep this country afloat.
As the Trump administration cracks down on refugees, migrant communities across the country are growing increasingly nervous. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, San Antonio, Texas.